Hello. Welcome to back to Doyle's channel for another spooky dicking around in the shed. Plus a mail call. Run an intro. We'll dive into it. Hello. Hello. How are you? We had mail. Yeah. Oh, welcome to dicking around in the shed. Yeah. Then, here's what. He's been waiting. He's waiting. Did you see that? Huh? I can't see if you can see it, isn't it? Huh? Yeah, maybe you can. Yeah. It's right there. Bam. Yeah. Virginia Motor Meetup. Or Virginia EA Motor Vlog Meetup. However you want to say. This is the YouTube awards that we'll be giving away. We got 3 of those. A little different this year. Got the state of Virginia. As Mr. McGee says. Mr. Yeah. So, we got mail. And, happy Halloween. Last of the mail. Last of the, spooky, Halloween editions. Yeah, October's over with, almost. We got a pussycat, an Alpha Tower, and some bunnies, maybe? Let's see here. No, the sheep, and a kitty cat in Paris. Can you see that? I think you can. Maybe you can. Anyway, you want to guess who it's from? I'll give you one guess. And if you guess Dream Big Production, you'll be right. It's from the Plush Bat Fan Dream Big Production. And it was sent on October 12th of 2024. Woo-wee. What was that? That wasn't me. But anyway, hope you go out, go bag a wing. That's what it is, bag a wing. What is that? I believe the shed's haunted. But anyway, we'll catch you on the next edition. This was a short one, because we were waiting on parts. That's the name of the game. You can go check out that video there. And there. We might be doing something in those. Or this one. No, that's the subscribe button. Yeah. We'll see you next time. Next year, 2025. Hopefully we still got America by then. Or no, by next week. We got the next. No, next week. Hope it's a line slide for Trump. Spooky man for Trump.